All right, we are back from Monterey. What a crazy 36 hours it was. Basically, I drove 1,500 miles, 24 hours-ish of drive time, if not more, plenty more with traffic, for a 4-hour event. And most of you have seen Acura's reveal party from Thursday night, where they unveiled not only the EV, but also the HRC Integra Type S concept, which was pretty cool. It was a neat surprise. I wasn't expecting to see there. But I wanted to take some video while I was there to show you guys how special the event is, you know, how neat it is, how the brand kind of celebrates the company for one night. Didn't get to do any of that. Ended up just enjoying conversation. You get to talk to other enthusiasts. You get to talk to executives. You get to talk to celebrities. You know, it's an event that, as somebody who really loves the brand, having a chance to go is the highlight of my year, for all those reasons. It's amazing, and getting to genuinely share stories with people about stuff that you're passionate about makes you feel great. So, yeah. Didn't get a chance to take much video, so I'm going to link you to Tyson's video. He definitely does a much better job recapping this special night than I did, but did take the new NSX down. I wanted to have an Acura NSX, my NSX there, driving amongst all the other hypercars and supercars around Monterey. It was quite the drive, a little spur of the moment, but 100% worth it. So let's dive into some of the video and give you guys a glimpse of how special and how fun that evening is. Made it to Monterey! Woo!
Inouye, the Senior Managing Executive Officer of Honda Motor and the Chief Officer of Electrification Business Development Operations, also joins us. And Kazuhiro Takezawa, President and CEO of American Honda, and then Chief Acura Takezawa-san. There he is. He's our CEO and President of American Honda. Koji Watanabe, the President of Honda Racing Corporation.
To Monterey Car Week. It's one of our favorite places to be. It's Christmas for enthusiasts like you, so happy holidays. So yes, now there's a reason why Mr. Honda said, and I'm going to abbreviate a little bit here, no racing, no Honda. And it reminds me every time I read that, and everybody at Honda that works in accounting or design or engineering, whatever, that it must be pretty damn important, racing. And racing is ingrained in a corporate culture of Honda, from MotoGP to Formula One. You know what might happen. So I have a special friend here to introduce the car tonight. Thank you.
My dream has always been to compete at the highest level. Not for the love of fame or what comes with it, but to continue my family's legacy. On a team that puts winning in the driver's seat. Introducing the Acura Integra Type S HRC prototype. Born to win, just like me.